Your BIBO bar is energy efficient based on your usage behavior and lifestyle. There are two energy-saving techniques: sleep and power on/off mode. We recommend using both settings to save as much power as possible. In this video, we'll go through the sleep mode. This allows your BIBO bar to go to sleep and save energy after a certain period of non-use. Select the menu button on your BIBO bar and navigate to the power setting by touching the red cup button 3 times. Note that the setting you're on is the one highlighted in bronze in the center of your screen. Select the menu button again to navigate into the power settings, where you will find both the sleep and power on/off settings. Use the red cup button to navigate to the sleep setting if it is not already selected. Touch the menu button to enter into the sleep setting. You will see an on/off and an hourly setting. Use the blue cup and white cup buttons to select the on or off sleep mode. Then select the menu button to save your choice. Navigate to the hourly setting by using the red cup button. Touch the blue cup or white cup button to set the number of inactive hours after which your BIBO bar should enter sleep mode. Touch the menu button to save the setting. To go back to the home screen, press the return button 3 times. Your BIBO bar will display this image on screen when it's in sleep mode. You can press any button to wake up your BIBO bar.